avoid commenting on the orgy of self-congratulation with which the ICTY terminated its 24 years of work. The Croatian president spoke tactfully, though eloquently, in defense of Croatia on that occasion. But the picture that the ICTY judges and officials painted of their own achievements is so grotesquely misleading that it cannot go unchallenged. The ICTY has been an expensive failure. It has done the bare minimum that was expected of it, but slowly, incompetently, working through dishonest compromises, heavily politically influenced, following an immoral program of equalizing guilt between the constituent parties. From starting out as a modest attempt to uphold standards of justice that the international community was too weak and divided to impose by force, it became, as those recent vainglorious speeches show, a self-declared paradigm for future conflict resolution by international courts. The judgments of the tribunal, even if sometimes merited on other grounds, were not in fact reached by processes or according to standards which would have been acceptable in any developed country, let alone in Britain, which so heartily endorsed the ICTY conclusions. A classic example is the creation of the concept of the joint criminal enterprise, which, in its most extended and least defensible form, was used to achieve a guilty verdict in the recent case against the Croat 6 from Bosnia and Herzegovina. That was an unjust judgment. It may be accepted, just as the weather tomorrow may be accepted, but it does not need to be respected, and neither does the institution which delivered it.